Well, I just checked into Mandalay Bay. This is probably my third time coming here. This time I got a little bit of a different room. I usually have stayed up high, and this time I'm in the 8th floor, and I'll explain why, even though this is a great room, the 8th floor may not be what you want. Now, right off the bat, this room is like all the others in Mandalay Bay. Very spacious. You do have a long hallway when you come in because they put the bathroom door over here, which is actually kind of cool. I'll explain in a minute. Very nice work area there. Nice size TV. One thing to be warned about is coffee is not free. I don't see a price on it this time, but last time I was here, I think it was like $5 per cup of coffee if you do it in the room. It is a K-cup machine if you want that. Now, everything here is not free. The mini bar, which is located down here, and up there is, well, it's locked. Somebody locked it. So, but it's all full of stuff that you have to actually pay for. So keep that in mind. And if you move it, even if you don't drink it or eat it, they do bill you for it. So keep that all in mind. One of the things I really like about Mandalay Bay is you do have a nice couple chairs. They have a nice little sitting area here. Very comfortable, big bed. Nightstands with plugs on both sides on the lamp. Nice view. I haven't stayed facing this direction yet. This is the new NFL stadium that's being built there. It's coming along really nicely. So a decent view. But if you want the true full view, you look at all the other rooms. So this is the 8th floor. See, there's like concrete here, so it's only half a window. All the other floors have full-size windows from floor to ceiling, which is really cool if you like that. So if you want a full-size floor-to-ceiling window, don't stay on the 8th floor. That's my only recommendation. But let's check out the bathroom real quick, because I really do love them. They don't have the biggest shower, but they do have a separate tub. Nothing fancy. It's not a jacuzzi tub, but it's a separate tub, which is pretty nice. Big his and her sinks, nice big mirror, much bigger than what I get in a comparable hotel in other areas. Nice shower, nothing particular fancy, a couple different shower head settings. Nice shelf right there for your stuff. Nothing fancy, but decent sized shower. Not as big as like the Paris shower, but it's the Paris shower doesn't have a tub, which is a nice addition. And in the Paris, you only get one sink instead of two. So if you're traveling with somebody, you want two sinks. And you also here get a separate room for the bathroom. Unlike many hotels in the area where the toilet's just sitting in the regular bathroom. There is a lot of closet space here. Of course, you get 3 drawers over here. You get a drawer on each side of the bed. And then you get these little rooms here where you got hangers, a little luggage rack in this one. I love how MGM does metal ones that deters any possible bed bugs there from crawling up it, at least what I've been told. And then it also does a second closet here. Again, ironing board and iron in the room. Don't have to ask for it. I'm here for business, so I definitely have to iron all my shirts on my suitcase. An okay size safe. This is one thing where I think Caesars beats MGM in some of their hotels is this is good. You could put a laptop leaning up and a couple things, but it's just not a huge safe. So would like to see that a little bit bigger. Let's do one of my favorite tests here. One of the things I always see about how clean it is when you wipe over some of these kind of areas. So looks clean. Yeah, very clean. That did better than my Paris review I did earlier this week when I was in it. So very nice. Check out these drawers. Very big, deep drawers here for storage. Really enjoy Mandalay Bay. I know it's kind of far down the strip. I come here for work because I got some work events here. But the rooms are very nice, very spacious, a lot of room here, a lot of room from the bed to the TV. Nice desk. Now, some of these rooms have the desk kind of turned that way, or they kind of, depending on the room. A lot of closet storage, big bathrooms. It's a very nice room. One of the larger rooms in this price point for a standard king. This is just a standard king room. It's not like I got a junior suite or anything. And I got this massive bathroom, massive room. So 2 thumbs up for Mandalay Bay. I will put a link to this room. My only note, though, again, is I probably will not request the 8th floor or request not to be put on the 8th floor. I didn't make any particular room requests because I do kind of like the whole floor to ceiling window that all the other floors have here at Mandalay Bay. So it's really cool. That's quite the impressive looking stadium down there. I bet when they have a nighttime football game, sitting here, seeing all the lights and everything going off would be pretty cool. So that's my review for 2020 of the Mandalay Bay Standard King Room. Very similar to Queen. The only difference or the two queens would be two beds here instead of one. So if you have a question, let me know. If you want to learn more about this room, check out a link in the show notes down below. One thing is they do have this little link station here where you can connect different devices to your TV, but they also do have a accessible HDMI port on the side of the TV. It just kind of swings out. You got HDMI, USB right there. When I was staying at Caesars earlier, they blocked out your ability to connect to the TV using like a Roku or something. And they didn't even have like built-in any on-demand, Netflix, that kind of stuff. So it's nice to see MGM is allowing you to connect a streaming player if you're doing that. So if you have any questions, let me know.